it's raining outside, so nothing better to do. I guess I'll do a bike check, so start up with the bars. 28-inch bars. Put that little fit a cap sticker. My grips, stock grips with plastic bar ends. Here, I'll show you the grips. My stem, purple flip, I flipped it. My front tire, 2.25 fit and Alienware rims. Front hub, fit stock hub. My frame fit Van Homan 1, 25-inch rise top tube. My headset, inpact headset, intergrated. My forks, stock Van Homan 1s. My seat, pivotal red seat with a purple post or pink post, whatever you want to call it. 3-piece cranks. Actual cranks by itself, it's black, fit stock pedals, 25 tooth sprocket, and a super light BMX track chain. Quite fat actually. My back hub, also stock. My back rim, my back tire, 2.1 fit. Alienware rims. What else is there? I guess that's pretty much it, but this bike really rides nice. Just took off the brakes today, so it's like just under, it was like 24 with the brakes, so like 23 or something. And I also got pegs with it. Some salt pegs. Haven't put them on yet. And I have some, here's a seat that I got it with. It's non-pivotal. I'll bring it to light. Pretty sick. I like it. Non-pivotal. And here's some grips for sale that I didn't really like. Walk-ons. These ones matched my bike. I just don't like using them. See? Gold, purple. Here's some ones that I've never used. Walk-ons, dirty walk-ons. 15 bucks. I bought it at the store for 24. Yeah, guys, that's my bike check. See ya.